Chapter 1: Genealogical Structure, the Kinship System. A. Kinship. Disputes about descent. From time to time, a dispute will arise about someone's descent, usually for circumstances resulting from war and the slavery of the feudal time. This is especially the case in those regions where villages were looted, where the people were driven from house and field, or were captured and became slaves, for then many a man lost almost all contact with his kinship group. It was therefore a sound measure of the first Dutch district officer of Samosir to order every person, freeborn or emancipated slave, to return to the region of his origin, the Bonhandi Pinasa, the foot of the Nangka tree, or Bonani Pasorit, the place of the first small offering shrine of the marga or tribal group. The object was that the threads of normal relations with the people among whom they originally belonged should be taken up again, and it placed the groups concerned under an obligation to see that the transfer went smoothly, thus diminishing the chance of disputes about descent arising in the future. Sometimes it was necessary for a person or persons to flee and seek refuge for their marga members who were living in another area. When they settled among them, there was then a gradual absorption of the descendants of the new arrivals into the lineage in the place where they had found refuge. After a number of years, however, disputes might arise for one reason or another, or the lost ones might be traced by their real kinsmen. The quarrels that arose usually about the rights to land resulted from the difficulty of determining descent. Disputes are produced by a variety of circumstances. If a woman recently widowed quickly remarries another man who is not related to her deceased husband and shortly afterwards bears a son, he will be endeavored to pass himself off as a child of his mother's deceased husband if the latter's kinsmen are more prosperous and have more influence than her second husband's kinsmen. Small daughters whose parents have died and who are without their kinsmen are sometimes the victims of spurious kinship relations concocted in order to obtain their positions and later to acquire the marriage payment for them. The area for disputes of this kind is Toba, where there are lawsuits in abundance instigated by the less scrupulous. Disputes can also arise in connection with the ceremony. It is one of the main concerns of the giver of feast that each of his guests shall receive the portion of the slaughtered feast animal, the jambar, to which he is entitled according to the partubo, and if there is dancing, long slumbering quarrel may break out suddenly between the groups participating as to its terms from an older group and therefore his precedence over the other. I once saw such a dispute on someone started by a statement by the Bogusilaon CP20. It is easy to understand that where the genuine facts about descent are in doubt, it is not difficult to frame a fictitious genealogy and to surround it with fine fantasies.